Hi everyone, it's that time again. It's time to pick my Boxycharm by Ipsy choices for October. So, just to remind you, the Boxycharm by Ipsy box is the middle tier box. It costs $27.99 plus the $1.99 handling and packaging fee. So let's just call it $30, which works out to about £24-25 in the UK. We get 5 full-size items, of which Ipsy pick 2 items, so they call those the power pick, and then we, the customer, can pick 3 items. And then also, if you want to, you can sign up for the boost item. So the boost item is $15 and it is supposed to have a value of at least, I think it's at least $40. All right, let's go. So we're in October, it's Halloween season, it's proper autumn now, or fall as the Americans call it. The October theme is It's Glamoween. Okay, let's see what we got. Choose 3 items. Let's go. So it says here my beauty boost this month is the Herbivore Botanicals Lapis Blue Tansy Face Oil. You know what? I've got a full-size bottle of this already, which I haven't really used. I'm just looking at it now. I'm picking it up and looking at it. I've used probably 1/5 of it. So I'm probably not going to choose that as my boost item, but we'll get to that soon. And then the 2 items that they've picked for me, so my power picks are, first, we've got a Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. I'm cool with that. Let's have a quick look at it. It's worth $40, full size. It's a face mask. I'm more than happy with that. How often do we use it? I'm assuming it's not... Most of these AHA things are items that you can't use every night. So you probably use it 2 or 3 times a week. I'm not sure. We will find out later. And the other item they picked for me is from Treslou's Beauty, and it is an Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mascara in Jet Black. Okay, this is fine, because, you know, I've got a hell of a lot of mascaras already, and I need another one, so yeah. But Treslou's Beauty are alright, actually. They're a decent-ish brand. It's a Latin American themed brand, or the owner is Latin American. Products are very affordable. The products were available in the UK, but she's stopped shipping to the UK now, so you can only get it from the States. Right, this is the best bit. This is what we care about. It's choosing our 3 items. So let's go. Choose my 3 items. So we've got 3 categories, and in each category you normally get at least sort of 4 to 6 items you can pick from. So the first item is from Aloha Yoga Skincare Luminizing Face Moisturizer. I don't want another moisturizer, but I'll have a look at it anyway. It's worth $48, full size. Your new fave moisturizer has entered the chat. This powerful yet lightweight formula is specially designed to give you a luminous all-day glow. Okay, they've said enough. I don't want to hear about a glow. For those of you who don't know, hi, I'm Sandra. I am in my mid-50s, so that usually means, or people assume, that you're going to have very dry skin and you're thinking about sort of more deep hydration, moisturization, anti-wrinkle kind of cream. That is not my issue. My concern is that I have got very oily skin, probably dehydrated, but it's very oily and I haven't got any wrinkles at all, and I do have pigmentation. So when I'm looking at skincare, that's what I look for. So that first product, I won't be interested in. Next product is from a brand I'm not that fond of either. This is a very mid-range brand for me. Balance Me. Let's see what they're talking about here. It's another face mask. Full size. The powerhouse mask combines the potency of glycolic, lactic and malic fruit acids to help gently exfoliate and reveal a youthful, luminous glow. To be honest, I'm not really interested, but we will see. I'll see what else is available to me. Next is from Huda Beauty. I'm probably going to go for this. Depends on the colour, really. If it's the Demi Matte liquid lipstick, I really like those, like the formula of those lipsticks. They are dry, but they don't go on sort of to drying your lips out. They're very comfortable to wear. So just depends on the colour. So let's have a look. The colour we have, it's $23. The colour is Trophy Wife. You know what? I think I've got this colour already, but it's probably really old. So I might get this. It's only worth $23, but you know what? I think I might get this. The rose-coloured lipstick is the definition of iconic. I think I'm going to get this. I think that's what I'm going to go for. I am going to have a look and see what the Trophy Wife colour is actually like. The next is from Dermilette. Dermilette is a brand I really like for their skincare. Everything I've received from them I've actually really enjoyed. So this is a lash volumizer. It's a lash treatment worth $49. I'm using one at the moment which I got ages ago, and I've just opened it up recently from Dime, so I don't really need another one right now. Next is from this brand Tease Cosmetics. It's a Battle Prep Smoothing Face Primer Hydra Shield. No, I'm not really interested in that. It's got shea butter. Looks like it's going to be quite greasy, so that's not for me. Again, oily skin, I don't need all of that. And finally, it's a liquid highlighter. I'm not even going to look at that. I'm actually going to go for the Huda Beauty lipstick. I will look for the colour, the true colour afterwards. The reason why I'm doing that is because Ipsy sometimes don't represent the colour very accurately. Anyway, let's have a look at the second product. So my second products I've got available are, first one is from Ace Beauté 4-piece eye brush set. I don't need any more brushes, to be honest. If I do get these brushes, I'll probably end up putting them in a giveaway or in a bundle, which I might end up selling. But, okay, it's there as an option, but I don't want it. Next is from Pomelo & Co. I've received the Matcha Tea hair mask, deep conditioning mask, and I really liked it, actually. It wasn't bad at all. 100 ml full-size hair mask, vanilla milkshake inspired scent. Say less. This ultra intensive hair mask smells absolutely delicious while working hard to nourish your dry hair. You'll leave the shower smelling sweet and creamy with super shiny hair. What could be better than that? I might get that because I did like the Matcha Tea one. Excuse me. Next is from Context Skin, a brow pomade stick. Doesn't indicate a colour. It's a brow wax. I'm assuming it's clear, so I don't want that. No, I don't want that. I like brow gels and I like brow sticks, but I don't want that. This is Lip Contour from Huda Beauty. Lip Contour 2 Automatic Matte Lip. Let's have a look at the colour. In honey beige. That colour looks interesting. The colour looks interesting. I'm going to have to check and see what this colour is like for real. What else is there? Hip Dot Jet Black Stamp Thick Liner. Oh, it's one of those eyeliners with the stamp at the end, so you can do a hood. Not a hood. A contour, cat eye. Couldn't think of the words just then. Yeah, we went through a phase of those a couple of years back, didn't we? Not sure about that. And what's this one? Sleek Silk Heat Defense Serum. I wouldn't mind another heat protector. At the moment, I'm thinking the eyebrush set, the Pomelo Boost Hair Mask, and the Huda Beauty lip colour. I'm going to have a quick look at the Huda Beauty lip colour. What did I say the colour was? It was honey beige. Let's have a look and see what that colour's like. Right, I've just gone onto the Sephora UK website to have a look and see what the honey beige colour looks like. It actually looks like it's well too light. Oh, that's well too light for me. Oh no, that's not a colour for me at all. Not at all. Let me bring this down. So honey beige is this second one in. And on my skin colour, no, that's not a colour I would wear. Okay, that's a no. So that's ruled out. Oh, what am I going to go for? So it's either the hair mask or the brush set. I'm going to come back to that. It's going to be one of those two. Right, on my third selection, choose your third product. So we've got Lauren's Skincare Lip Oil in Strawberry, the TYS Beauty Cheek Tint Liquid Blush in Splash. That colour looks too light. Formula Z, oopsie daisy. Formula Z let's have a look. Let's open this up. Formula Z Cosmetics, they came up with those dual coloured eyeliners. They're really cool. I'm So Pretty Shadow Stick Duo in Shine On. Shine On. It's like it's a bronzy colour, doesn't it? Okay, that's a possibility as a simple look. Farrah Eyeshadow Primer. No. Earth Harbour Calypso Vitamin C Moisture Elixir. Dew of the Gods. No. Just no to that brand. Okay. I think it's going to be the Formula Z I'm So Pretty Shadow Stick. Yeah, I don't want the primer. Okay, so I am going for the eyeshadow. Let's go back to this one now. I'm going to get the... Let's have a look at this mask again. And the brushes. I'm going to get the hair mask, I think. Yeah, so my second choice is going to be the hair mask. Okay, so what have we got? We have got... let's have a look at the Beauty Boost. So the Beauty Boost, we have got the Lapis Tansy Face Oil. I don't want that because I've got that already. Then we've got the Kate Somerville Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptide Serum. If I did get that, I'd probably put it on eBay and sell it. Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush in Pink Dahlia. Lux and Willow Remedy Mini Straighteners, no. Karma Beauty Trinity Oil, no. Illa Apothecary Save Face Serum. Let's have a look at this. This deeply hydrating, regenerating serum is enriched with a unique blend of gemstones, stem cells, hyaluronic acid, and essential oils. How's gemstones going to help your skin? The rich formula helps with detoxification while helping to reduce skin puffiness with its anti-inflammatory properties. Sounds like a load of crap. It's a British brand. Never heard of them. Right, if they're a British brand, let's look them up. It'd be awful for me not to look them up, considering I'm British. Right, so Illa Apothecary Safe Face Serum. Let's have a look. Okay, so it is a product that is sold. Look fantastic, £53. Sephora UK, £37. Planet Organic, £52.99. £31.80. So it looks like price ranges from £31.80 there to £53. Let's have a look and see what Look Fantastic says about it. How to use. There's only one review and they've given it 5 out of 5. Love the serum, light and not sticky. My skin loves it. Verified purchase in February this year. Oh, blimey. Any other reviews? Sephora has no reviews. Gosh, they don't make it easy, do they? They're not making it easy, people. I think I might. Let's have a look at this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dahlia. I've seen that colour before. It's a pinky colour, which is all right. It's all right. Perfect Blush doesn't exist, never. Kate Somerville product. I think I'm going to get the Kate Somerville. And you know what I'm probably going to do? I'm probably going to sell it on eBay. I didn't say that too loudly, did I? Right, I'm going to get that. The Kate Somerville. Yeah. Right, so my choices are... We've got the Huda Beauty lipstick. Oh, I said I was going to check the colour, didn't I? Trophy Wife. Let me check that colour. Yeah, that colour's fine. Yeah, that's a good colour. Yeah, we like that. You like that? You like that? So my choices are the Huda Beauty lipstick in Trophy Wife. I went for the Pomelo & Co. Vanilla Boost Hair Mask and the Shadow Stick in Shine On. I want to break into song. Shine On. And then the Kate Somerville Concentrates. I'm probably going to make some money from. Right, that's my choices for my October choices, guys. What do you think about my choices? Do you think I was wise in what I chose? There we go. So there's my basket. Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow AHA. We've got a Cheslow's Beauty Mascara. We've got the Kate Somerville Active Concentrates. That's my Beauty Boost. I picked the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Ultra, the Pomelo & Co. Vanilla Boost Hair Mask, and the Formula Z Cosmetics eyeshadow. That's my £25 plus what, say, my £15 shipping. So what's that, £40? Yeah, okay, I think I've got my money there, so I'm happy. Cool. Let me know what you think down in the comments, guys. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.